Sobrang init, di ba? Ito, mais con yelo. Tikman nyo na guys, grabe, ang sarap nito, par!
Yeah. Cash G na pala ng Etiba. Pasensya na sa mga rapper na hindi namin matatapakan dyan. You starting with the shit, bro. Maganda na kayo ng mga payong dahil magpapaulang kami ng mga bars. Hinalit nyo yung natatagong dragon ni Cash G sa dibdib. Siguro, ito na yung oras para ilabas na to. Something I came that I boom. Said I'm in a team that I feel. Something I came that I boom. Then I said I'm in a team that I feel. Said I'm in a bow now. Hit them in a hit them in a countdown. Get up the lock, get to the middle. Get up the middle, get up the middle, get up the middle. That is it, that is it. I'm like it on that. Let them bitches and look at that. Let's see my like it on the middle of that. Something I came that I boom. Then I came that I feel. Then I come that I go. Said I'm in a kill. Said I'm in a kill. Said I'm in a kill. Like a zip in my bowl. Something I came that I give. That I tell us I'm in a Tangina, ayun sinasabi ko sa inyo eh. Ayoko sana ilabas to eh. Ang problema lang nalabas ko na.
Tikman nyo na guys, grabe, ang sarap nito, par!